Hello students. So today we are going to start with the topic how to work with charts. So basically presentation software enables the user to insert charts and slides to present statistical table data in a pictorial representation. So in the last class we discussed about how to represent the data in tables, how you insert a table, how you can insert a table from a external document or a different software and insert it on a spreadsheet or in a presentation. So how can you insert a chart in a presentation? You can present your data in terms of charts. So in this exercise you'll learn how to work with charts. Open a new file using presentation software to insert a chart in the slide. Click on chart option under illustrations group in the insert tab, and a dialog box appears as shown below. You will notice different types of charts and that can be used in the presentation. Select a chart type and click OK. A default chart will be inserted on the slide, and the default data table for that chart can be opened in a spreadsheet application separately as shown below. So you can select the different forms of the out of the different options available for the charts. You can select the most suitable option, and then you can select that chart and it can be inserted. And once you select that chart, what happens is you can also look into it in the spreadsheet. You can open a different linked spreadsheet where the entire data will be represented in the form of a table. So you can edit the values in the spreadsheet, and the presentation software will automatically update the chart. Now enter the following in the spreadsheet window. So this is a kind of a table, and once you enter it in the linked spreadsheet that is linked to the chart, this kind of a chart will be formed. Now change the values in the spreadsheet and observe the changes in the chart. You can change the colors and the effects of the chart by using chart styles available under design tab. To change to a different style, select a style from the chart styles and double click on it. Some basic guidelines are as follows. Convey one message per chart. Make the message the heading. So basic examples that you basic tricks or basic ideas that you need to take is you convey a single message using a single chart. Keep the heading, keep the message like it's a comparison, population comparison or GDP comparison, or it is something of that sort. So you keep that as a heading. Now make bar and columns wider than the spaces between them. Be accurate. Always start at a numerical axis at 0. So always start at 0 and have very accurate data and represent it in a very careful manner. Compare only two variables. Eliminate all unnecessary details. Avoid grid lines, data points, boxes, etc. unless they relate to a message. Use a few, maximum 4 colors per visual. So importing chart, you can also import a chart, like you can import a table, you can import a video clip, you can also import a chart. You can also import a chart from a spreadsheet. The method is the same as that of importing a table into the presentation software. Since the entire sheet is imported, you may need to maneuver around and display the chart in the embedded object. To increase or decrease the size of the object, you can double click on it and resize it. So you can make the changes in the chart according to the changes in the data. So in the next class we will start with inserting transitions.